All right, in this particular example, we're asked to figure out the cash payments in your second month of business. It's a lawn mowing business. I'm going to show you in an Excel spreadsheet here how we'd go about calculating it. So here we have, these are the expenses that are incurred by this business, and they expect for each month. So this is your monthly costs. And in this case, it's $25 for the advertising. The amount for the gas is it's $1.50 times the 250 hours that you're planning on working. So we'll spend $375 for the gas. Now depreciation is actually not included, although it's an expense. It's actually not going to get paid. So this is not paid. So we're not going to include it because we're asked in this problem, what are our cash payments going to be? We are of course going to have to pay our workers $7 an hour, and here's the miscellaneous expenses. So each month, the total that we're going to be having to pay for is the sum of these. So each month you're expected to pay $2,200. As to when you're actually going to pay those, let's go through a schedule here. In month 1, and we'll go ahead with month 2 as well. So in month 1, let's go through that. In month 1, you're going to pay 60%, 0.6, times your monthly costs. Again, it excludes the depreciation because it says in the month that you have the incur the cost, it's 60% that you plan on paying. So you're going to pay $1,320 in month 1. In month 2, you're going to pay 30%. And so this is the second month's amount that you pay of the first month's costs. Now, as far as in month 2, so this is basically what you're going to be paying. This is the 2,000, or no, actually this is 90%. In month 3, you would pay the rest of it. But because this question is asking what are we paying in month 2, I will not go into month 3 here. But I do want to talk about month 2 because we incur another $2,200. So in month 2, we're going to pay, and it's basically the $1,320 again because it's the same amount of costs. So we're going to go 0.6 times the 2,200. So what we have is we are recording, sorry, I just want to tally up here. We are recording the amount of, oops, undo. We are recording the amount here of the total cash paid in month 2. It consists of 30% of the first month's costs, or $660, and then 60% of the second month's costs, for a total of $1,980. So again, I didn't need to do the first month. You're focusing in on what happens in the second month. In the second month, you pay 30% of the first month's costs or the previous month's costs, and then 60% of the current month's costs.